Continuing right along here somehow. Or sometimes I just gaze into the trees and kind of daydream while all this is going on. I think you know what I'm talking about now. That's what you call a line of cars going down Sooke Road. And they're going slow. Oh, got a motorhome in there. But yeah, geez, wow. We do have bus service here finally. I remember when this was a gravel road. I was a kid. I sure like the greenness out here. Yeah. And so does everyone else. So yep, that's what's happening. Now we're up to 30 Ks. That's good. Hey, look at that, eh? All it takes is a little patience. Most commuters here spend about 2 hours a road on the day commuting. I know they do, because I did it for years. Years, I tell ya, years. They don't seem to be needing to cross quite yet, but hey, a line of cars goes down real slow. Just like that song. I can't remember what it was called, but yeah. And the line of cars went down real slow, or something like that. I think it's a country song or something. Something like Brenda Lee or something. Anyway, here we are. It's the Sooke Road Crawl. Getting home. Or going home. Either way, it's, you know, it's what it is. It's the Sooke Road. Hey. Taking a while, eh? This is every day without fail, right around this time too. Yeah, it sure is. This is the normal thing. If you keep your car in drive all the time when you're here and just keep pumping off and on the brake, guess what you're doing? You're wearing out your clutch system in your car. So every time I come to a place that ain't moving, I put it in neutral, and that keeps the transmission cooler, actually, right? Because heat and friction is what wears out an engine. And well, we're talking about you know, that. That's a nice place to take a kayak. Kayak adventures. Yeah, nice place to launch off into the Sooke Basin and catch a little paddling.